Alessandro Costa is set to go down against Stuart Nicol. I'm pretty much confident this is going to be a tremendous one. And Alessandro Costa, well, he lost to Alden Correa and Steve Erceg, but he defeated Kevin Borjas, Jamie Fleek, and he was having ups and downs too recently. And Alessandro, he isn't in the best shape of his life. And Kakamora Stuart Nicol is fighting out of Australia 8-0. This guy is 5'5", 65.5 inches of reach out of Brisbane, Queensland. Lost to Lucas Rocha and Jesus Aguilar. He was so dominant at beatdown promotions, but it seems UFC might be too much for him. And Nicol is offering nice technique for mid-tier, low-tier competitions, but for a high-level competition, I don't think he has what it takes. I think Alessandro Costa gonna win, and I'm gonna go with Costa here.